Environment. The big picture. Environment is what lies outside of us, either immediately or in our world at large. Yet it all, to some degree, affects what's inside of us because what's outside coming inside through our skin, mouths, and minds. Sight. Our eyes see a wealth of information every day. This input can help to heal and promote our well-being or be detrimental to us. The smiles of our loved ones and friends. This can all bring healing. Organization and clutter. Other things in our environment can either be a help or a challenge. Organization, cleanliness, and order all promote peace and health. Clutter, messes, and a lack of organization in our home can serve as stressors or may even be a symptom of stress. Primary colors and sounds. The wonders of nature can greatly alleviate daily stress. Nature was designed this way by a loving creator. This truth is illustrated by the two primary colors of nature, the blue sky and green vegetation. A day spent in nature is a day surrounded by sound, the playful rustles of wind dancing through trees. The medium sends a message. The media in our homes impacts us in a powerful way, whether we realize it or not. The TV is often on many hours a day. Take a moment to consider the images it feeds our brains. Are they positive and health promoting? Research showed that after watching a few minutes of the news, participants said that they felt more anxious and sad. The nose. Enjoy our sense of smell and use it to enhance the quality of your life. Take time to literally smell the roses and other flowers. Enjoy the smell of a wonderful Italian or Chinese meal, or whatever foods and spices you like. Bask in the fragrance of a freshly baked apple pie. Take time to get into nature and enjoy the fresh, clean air, for the sense of smell has a powerful impact on us. Pollution. We can benefit from bringing nature inside too. Research done by NASA shows that living, green and flowering plants remove several toxic chemicals from the air in building interiors. You can enjoy these plants in your home or office, not only to improve the quality of the air, but also to make it more pleasant place. NASA found that the following 10 plants are the top picks for removing formaldehyde. The 10 plants: bamboo palm, Chinese evergreen, English ivy, Gerbera daisy, Janet Craig, marginata, mascane or corn plant, mother-in-law's tongue, cottonmom, peace lily. Touch and taste. As humans, we were created to touch and to be touched. One of the ways we can help each other is through the wonderful gift of touch. God created skin as the largest sense organ in our bodies, and skin responds positively to every loving touch. Numerous studies document how we must have touch to develop grow. Nature beauty. Nature has a wonderful effect on the mind. Experiencing nature, whether through passive observance or active participation, is an important component of psychological well-being. Says University of Michigan researcher Rachel Kaplan, another University of Michigan researcher Stephen Kaplan states that the pressure of modern life contribute to the experience of mental fatigue, which can lead less tolerance and poorer health. Remedies. Nature has powerful healing effects. Researchers documented that patients with a view of trees outside their hospital window had shorter hospital stays. Fewer negative evaluative comments from nurses in their charts, took fewer analgesic medications than patients who had undergone the same operation but had a view of a brick wall outside their window. Solar power. Sunshine is a powerful promoter of health and well-being. It is the source of energy for the earth. It provides for the growth of green plants needed for our enjoyment and food, and enables plants to create oxygen out of carbon dioxide. Sunlight promotes positive thinking by increasing serotonin, an important happiness brain chemical. Electrified air. Fresh air is electrified. It is negatively charged in a good way or negatively ionized because of the life-giving oxygen molecule. This negatively charged oxygen has many benefits. They include an improved sense of well-being, increased rate and quality of growth in plants and animals. Water, herbs, charcoal, and rover. The importance of water cannot be underestimated. Falling water, whether from a waterfall, a creek, or from a rain shower, gives off negative ions. Hydrotherapy can do amazing things to stimulate our immune system and help us feel good. Charcoal has the amazing ability to attract other substances to its surface and hold them there through the process of absorption. Environmental issues. No question, our environment gives us peace, tranquility, food, shelter, and health. Does it make you want to give back? Actually, when we give back, we give to ourselves as well. Some people call it going green. Others see it as the fight against global warming. Either way, giving back is definitely the right thing to do for future generations. Thank you for listening.